Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Slack how to delete members. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete members from Slack, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Slack app. Then once you're inside here, navigate to the channel section from where you want to delete members. Then once you have selected the channel, what you need to do is tap on the channel name on the top of the screen, and from there you'll find an option that says members. Simply tap on that. Now inside members, you need to locate the members that you want to delete. Now once you have located it, tap on their name, and then on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing the three dotted icon. Simply tap on that, and then you'll find an option that says remove from channel. Simply tap on that once again, and then the Slack will ask you to confirm if you are removing the selected person or member. Simply tap on confirm to successfully remove them from your channel. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.